क्रिकेट जीन्स तो है ही उसमें. Ashok Kedwal himself is such a good senior cricketer. All set, lights, camera, action, playtime. Sam to Ayush. Such a terrific timer of the cricket ball. He can really hit the ball hard. A raw talent, Ayush. Two reviews per team. Two reviews. Anand facing Sam. Well driven. Very military in his line and length. Samir. Very immaculate. What a shot! The first boundary of this match for Ayush. Closing the bat a little too early. Bowling very slow through the air. Oh, that is that odd bounce. .2, 8 for none. Declared 3, 3D. Into double digits with that 3D. 11 for none. Turn round the corner. जब तक आयुष विकेट पे है कोई अननेसेसरी रिस्क नहीं लेंगे आनंद. वो अपना नॉर्मल क्रिकेट खेलेंगे. Ritesh is the lone ranger in the deep. दो ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 14 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के एक अच्छा लॉन्च पैड स्थापित होता हुआ, एक अच्छी साझेदारी रंग लाती हुई. गेंदबाजी के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार अंकुर. स्ट्राइक पर आनंद. Tanish Borade inside the circle. White ball. वेरी वेल बोल्ड. थोड़ा सा अपिच खेला था लेकिन कोई भी खतरा नहीं था क्योंकि गैप में उस गेंद को प्लेस किया था. 18 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के. Ayush is back in the hut, -5. The score will come down to 13. 13 for 1. तीसरा ओवर प्रगति पथ पर है. Ankur picks up that important wicket. Arriving at the wicket is Arnav Singh. At the moment, Arnav Singh is the most valuable player of the tournament so far. He's there on the back of the splendid bowling that is exhibited. Anand is the glue that binds the team bounce together. So he's got that very important role to essay. A multi-dimensional player. He's a part of the think tank as well, Anand, and is a very key member of the squad. Team bounce is at the number 2 position. They would really want to be maintaining that position. You want to be in the top 2-3 teams on the table. Every win in the round robin league format is like an insurance. जितने इनिशियल लीग मैचेस आप जीतोगे वो आगे जाकर आपको एक बड़ा इंश्योरेंस दे जाते हैं. क्रॉस बैट से खेलना पसंद करते हैं अंडर आर्म में अर्णव. देखिए ये गेंद कवर ड्राइव की आनंद ने. अर्णव होते तो क्रॉस बैट के साथ मिड ऑन के दिशा में खेलते इस गेंद को. अपनी गेंदों को पट्टे में लेते हैं अर्णव. Oh, a good effort in the end. Jalaj recovers in good time. Good bit of work. A 19 for 1. Ananta. With that single, 20 at the end of 4 overs. 4 ओवर के बाद 20 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. काफी क्रिकेट खेलना शेष है. अंकुर अपने दूसरे ओवर को लेकर बिल्कुल तैयार है. समीर बैकवर्ड ऑफ स्क्वायर लेग पर आते हुए लेग साइड पर एक इनसाइड द सर्कल एक फील्डर को बढ़ाया है अंकुर ने. Well left, but must have brushed something on his way past him. 22. Just home in the nick of time, Anand. 4.4 overs, 24 for 1. Anand is on to 15 of 17 balls. Clean bowled him. That is exactly what they were looking forward to. -5. That is such an important scenario for team Edmonton. Edmonton is at the number 6 position. 3 matches, 1 win, 2 losses. They would like to win this match and regain the winning momentum. Team Mounts versus Team Edmonton. This is a very, very important match. More so for Edmonton. माउंट्स के लिए भी तो महत्वपूर्ण मैच है. हर मैच इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन जो मैच सिनारियो, जो पॉइंट्स टेबल पर जो स्थिति बनी है, उस लिहाज से एडमंटाइन के लिए यह बहुत ही ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण मैच है. विकास गुप्ता. अंकुर के ओवर की समाप्ति. 5 ओवर के बाद 19 रन, 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 18 गेंदानी बाकी है और इन 18 गेंदों में और 18 से 20 रन बनाना चाहेंगे टीम बाउंस. अमन गेंदबाजी का भार संभाले हुए. चैनल बॉलिंग, दैट डिलीवरी होल्डिंग ऑन टू इट्स लाइन, इसे कहते हैं होल्डिंग ऑन टू इट्स लाइन. Not much turn for Raman, but he's putting the ball in the right channel. Channel bowling. Very steady with his pitching. That run had to be stopped. As simple as that. Two young guns, Siddharth and Tanish. Sam is getting his team together in a huddle. Yes, this is such a good thing to be doing. Just motivating his team again, just making sure that they are all focused on the match. You cannot let your focus shift. That focus is always there to be. You got to put the focus on at all times. Never ever lose your focus. बहुत ही स्मार्ट दिमाग के धनी है विकी. More often than not, he gets his calculations right. 6 ओवर के बाद केवल और केवल 23 रन, 23 for 2 after 6. जब कभी वो सुपर ओवर होगा तभी गेंदबाजी करेंगे सैम, ये तो बिल्कुल सुनिश्चित है. इस बात में तो कोई डिबेट भी तो नहीं हो सकती. फिलहाल जलज गेंदबाजी करेंगे. 6 के बाद 23. The ball ricocheting off the side net, back in play. It's gone. That's a wide ball, so the pressure of the 2 dot balls getting to this man. And that is indeed the prized scalp of Anand. Anand is back in the pavilion. That pressure was in the mind, at the back of his mind. He was on the edge after having played those 2 dot balls. हम यहाँ से अनाउंस नहीं करने वाले हैं डॉट गेंदों को लेकर. दी batsman can ask for the confirmation, but we will not take the initiative to announce the 2 dot balls. After all the subtractions, 21 it is with that single. 21. What's the score? Please hold, please hold, hold. Wait. It is 21. For 3. Good footwork, well bowled, well fielded. Such a terrific cricket match being played. With that single score on to 23 now. Maulik and Vikas. 23 for 3, 1 ball to go in the 7th over. सात ओवर के बाद 24 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर. आखिरी ओवर जो सैम करेंगे वो सुपर ओवर होगा. Anand has been asked to go into the circle to field, and Jalaj comes back into that customary mid-on position of his own. Sam to bowl the super over, the man on strike, Vikas, 24 for 3 after 7. -10, oh my word. Back in the match. They are back in the match. Big time Edmonton. 5 to go. -10 of the very first delivery will put the pressure big time on Tim Bounce. बहुत ही ज़्यादा आत्मविश्वास जताते हैं अपनी गेंदबाजी में. He always backs himself in any match situation to bowl a very good over. He will always back himself, Sam. Two good runs picked up, 2 good runs. Maulik facing Sam. No problems. This is easy meet. 2 easy runs taken. Bhavik Thakkar, 20 for 4. 2 balls to go. The final 2 balls. (22) आखिरी गेंद को फेस करेंगे भाविक. 22 पे 4. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए केवल 23 रन बनाने हैं. टारगेट है टीम एडमिंटन के लिए 23 रनों का. लेकिन जिस तरह का बॉलिंग ब्रिगेड इनके पास है, ये मामला अभी भी पेचीदा हो सकता है. 23 रिक्वायर्ड, नॉट अ माउंटेन टू क्लाइंब. इसके बावजूद अग्नि परीक्षा से गुजरना होगा एडमिंटन को. यू नेवर नो, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन ये बड़ा मौका बना है. Edmonton has got that big chance to regain the winning momentum. On the other hand, Tim Bounce will be wanting to show to the world that they are made up of steely nerves. Tim Bounce की गेंदबाजी ज़्यादा मजबूत पक्ष है. And they're going to be bowling now to defend the title, defend the score. The defending champions, so Team Superstars है. The key here for Team Bounce will be to hold on to that element of self-belief. And that is exactly what even Team Edmonton will be wanting to do. The bowlers have done the job for Edmonton. It's time for the batters to come out and do the rest of the job. Siddharth and Tanish Borade, the two opening batters. Siddharth and Tanish. The man on strike, Siddharth, and Tanish at the non-striking, and it's going to be Divya to bowl the first over for Tim Bounce. "23 runs to win the match. All set. The umpires are looking at it's going to be KU to bowl the first over. The man on strike is Siddharth. Tanish at the non-striking end. 23 runs to win the match. All set. Playtime. The only man at the exquisite to play those tap shots, that is Siddharth. Well done. Good work by Anand. Both the batters off the mark. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, he buckles to the pressure. He buckles under pressure. Collie wobbles. Butterflies in the stomach. On his way back, the young gun, Tanish Borade. They pick up that early wicket, -5. This is what they do as a bowling unit. They get those early wickets and put the pressure on. They are more of a bowling unit than a batting unit. Tim Bounce की गेंदबाजी ज़्यादा मजबूत पक्ष है. So they will always back themselves to defend any kind of a score. ये USP है Tim Bounce का. चाहे कितना भी छोटा लक्ष्य स्कोरबोर्ड पर हो, they will still back the bowlers to defend that total. Team Adamantine को they will have to be all grit and determination. They have to be a picture of grit and determination. लगे रहो, डटे रहो. एडमिंटाइन के लिए बड़ा मौका है. वाइड गेंद. और जो बाउंस की जो अच्छी फील्डिंग है उसके चलते और ज्यादा धार लगती है बाउंस की गेंदबाजी को. दे गेट द कटिंग एज बिकॉज ऑफ देयर एग्जाम्पलरी फील्डिंग. इन कम्स टू बॉल Arnav. At the moment, Arnav is the most valuable player. It is 0. 0 for 1 after 1. केवल 23 रन्स बनाने हैं आने वाली 40 गेंदों में. 40 balls and 23 to win. Two good youngsters up against each other. What a terrific shot. A 3D. That's a 3D. तीन रन्स बन चुके हैं. पूरा सम्मान दिया उस अच्छी गेंद को. वेल बॉल्ड, वेल प्लेड. यही गेम प्लान है कि अर्नव को हम कॉशियसली खेलेंगे. अर्नव की गेंदबाजी को कोई अनवारंटेड रिस्क नहीं लेंगे. ये गेम प्लान है और ये सही सोच भी तो है. बिल्कुल वाजिब रणनीति है. ये बनती है इस तरह की रणनीति. You need a game plan as simple as that. Oh my word, he gets home. He was almost a gone man. It's fortunate to be there at the wicket. Arnav misses out on that regulation collection. Well left by Aman. He was gunning for Aman. So that over from Arnav Singh nicely being negated, nicely being negotiated by Admintine. The score at the end of 2 overs is 4 for 1. 4 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर केयूर का स्पेल बरकरार रहेगा. देखिए जब आप टीम बाउंस के अगेंस्ट खेलते हो तो अर्नव को किस तरह से आप फेस करोगे, इसके लिए एक रणनीति बनाना जरूरी है. दो ओवर के बाद 4 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर, यानी कि अब 36 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए और 19 रन बनाने हैं. नॉट अ माउंटेन टू क्लाइम, डेफिनेटली नॉट अ माउंटेन टू क्लाइम. Siddharth is definitely somebody who can really read the match situation nicely and accordingly set up his game. Clean bowled, ये बड़ा विकेट, ये बहुत ही बड़ा विकेट है दोस्तों, बहुत ही बड़ा विकेट है. Keyur gets through the defenses of Siddharth, the big man gone. टैप शॉट खेलने का प्रयास किया था, थोड़ी ही वाज रूटेड टू हिज क्रीज, दैट शुड हैव बीन प्लेड ऑन द फ्रंट फुट. Ritesh comes in to bat now, a man for all seasons. Ritesh, a big sigh of relief, that wicket of Siddharth. Big sigh of relief for team bounce. अब सिद्धार्थ की भरपाई कौन करेगा ये देखना होगा. Somebody has to fill in the shoes of Siddhartha now, and that is hell of a task. This man is a fighter player, Ritesh. Very fighting cricketer. That went through his legs, and that is why he cannot give it a wide one. There are all smiles everywhere. Ample time for the batsman to play the reverse shot. Zero for 2. Test of character. You have to be strong in the head. Admintine, you got to be headstrong. Getting some good turn. He can bowl both the off spinners and the leg spinners according to the situation. End of a very tidy over, a successful over from Keyur. 3 ओवर के बाद 2 पे 2, यानी कि अब 30 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 21 रन बनाने हैं. 21 required to win the match. 30 balls, 21. Vikas Gupta, Captain Cool, arrives at the wicket to bowl. No, says the umpire. Oh, it's been referred to the third umpire. Third umpire की दिशा में रुक किया for a caught behind. Now how does he judge that? There is no sneakometer, nothing. How can he now review that? Only God save him. Please hold on. There will be no review for a caught behind. Yeah, okay, good to go. Carry on. Yes. The third umpire was shivering there when he was asked to go for that caught behind. How does he do that? चलिए, बहुत ही दिलचस्प मोड पे है ये मैच. This is more close than what the scorecard is suggesting. Ritesh in the company of the young Aman. Aman has got the opportunity to show to the world what is made up of. He needs to make a big contribution here, Aman. And if he's able to do that, he will turn round the corner. That's going to be a wide one because there was no turn in it. It just held on to its line. Oh, they had exactly the man in that perfect position to stop that sweep shot from Ritesh. They knew that he's a very good player of the sweep shot. तो यही तो रणनीति, यही तो इसे तो गेम प्लान कहते हैं. To put the right man in the right areas for the right batters. एक दूसरे की फितरत को जानते हैं. सभी प्लेयर्स का मजबूत पक्ष क्या है, थोड़ा सा कमजोर पक्ष क्या है, वो सभी प्लेयर्स एक दूसरे के बारे में जानते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा ओवर मुकम्मल हो चुका है विकास गुप्ता के लिए. 4 ओवर के बाद रन संख्या केवल 5 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर, यानी कि 24 गेंदों में अब 18 रन बनाने इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. केवल 18. 18 टू विन ऑफ 24 बॉल्स. गेंदबाजी में उतरे हैं अब निकुल. निकुल टू अमन. 24 balls, 18 to win. Only one dot ball. Enough to. The pressure being put on Aman. On the edge, Aman. If he had to collect it, all that he had to do was to get his hand down to the stumps. That one run taken, that one run will take the score to 1 minute, 1 minute. We need to get on with the game. Well played, well driven. That single takes the score to 8. One ball to go in over number 5. Maulik is on the money. Fetching the ball from outside the off, some premeditated sweep shot. That single takes the score to 9 after the end of 5 overs. 18 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए अब 14 रन्स बनाने हैं. 18 balls and 14 runs to win the match. 23 is the target. In comes the super over. Ritesh facing Arnav. This will be a very crucial over. Two important runs taken. The team Bounce will be praying that Arnav makes an impact in the super over. On the other hand, they will be looking to negate Arnav. They will be looking to play out this over cautiously. This is good cricket. 13 for 2 with the 4 runs of the first 2 balls. Six runs added to the tally of the first 3 balls. So they are taking on Arnav Singh. Yes, you cannot be too negative when you're facing Arnav. That is like digging a hole for yourself. That is like playing into his hands. That is actually the trap set. So you got to be a little positive when you're facing Arnav. You cannot go into a complete shell. Easier said than done. I know that. Because this man is a champion bowler. He remains to be the trump card up the sleeve of Team Bounce. Ritesh and Aman doing the resurrection job. टीम की नैया पार लगाते हुए बहुत ही अच्छा कॉल दिया वेट का. रितेश ने वो कॉल दिया वेट का. Oh, well driven. Well driven. That was a half volley that had to be driven and he drove it. This is good cricket. Quality cricket. Quality cricket. दर्जेदार मैच प्रगति पथ पर है. 15 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर छठी ओवर की आखिरी गेंद आनी बाकी है. केवल और 8 रन बनाने हैं. What a refreshing approach from Aman. to take on Arnav like this. That is good cricket. At the end of 6 overs 17 for 2, अब 12 गेंदों में आलम यह है कि केवल और केवल 6 रन्स बनाने इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. Only 6 to win of 12 balls, and अर्नव सिंह का स्पेल खत्म हो चुका है. सुपर ओवर भी समाप्त हो चुकी है. उस लिहाज से आप अंदाजा लगाइए कि कौन सी टीम फेवरेट है. आप स्वयं ही अंदाजा लगाइए. 17 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 6 ओवर के बाद अमन और रितेश के बीच एक अच्छी साझेदारी पनपती हुई. अभी भी दोनों टीम्स के लिए काम बाकी है. इसके बाद आखिरी मैच जो मॉर्निंग सेशन का होगा सुपरस्टार्स बनाम चीजी सुपर किंग्स. वेरी वेल लेफ्ट. क्लीन बोल्ड. मामला फिर से एक बार टर्न होता हुआ. -5. व्हाट अ विकेट. -5. क्या बात है. रोमांच बरकरार. Do not go away, and this is not for the faint-hearted. Anything can still happen. Can Team Adamantine hold on to their nerves? Can they exhibit titanium nerves? Mind games will be played. Just look at Arnav. He's going after Jalaj. Mind games being played here. और ये प्रोफेशनल सेटअप में तो बनता है. जलज भी एक काफी अच्छे क्रिकेटर है. He is a very good cricketer. There is no doubt about it. Jalaj. The job is cut out for him. It's a pressure situation, and he needs to bail his team out of trouble. He needs to take his team past the winning post. All that he has to do at the moment is give good company to Ritesh. Let Ritesh do the bulk of the scoring. But he's got to hang on. Tim Bounce will put the pressure on. Turbocharged match. Both the teams digging deep into their reserve tank. Reserve fuel का सहारा लेती हुई दोनों ही टीम्स. 13 रन बन चुके हैं और 10 रन बनाने हैं इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. और 10 रन. वाइड गेंद. गेंदबाजी करते हुए भाविक. पेनल्टी मेट ओवर. 10 में 8. 10 गेंदों में 8 रन बनाने हैं. अब बतौर फील्डिंग टीम कैप्टन रितेश के शॉट्स को एंटीसिपेट करना होगा फील्डर्स ने. सिंगल सेविंग पोजीशन में जो भी फील्डर्स खड़े बिल्कुल चौकन्ना रहना होगा. ओह, एंटीसिपेशन तो किया था लेकिन कैच नहीं ले पाए. 16 रन बन चुके हैं. 9 गेंदों में 7. 17 बन चुके हैं. 8 में 6. 8 गेंदों में 6. 6 to win of 8 balls. Easier said than done. This is 23 runs to win the match. Mr. Cool, Ritesh is going strong. Doing what needs to be done. As simple as that. मैच सिचुएशन को भली भांति जानते हैं रितेश और उसी अनुसार अपनी गेम को अच्छी तरह से सजाया है. अच्छा साथ निभाते हुए जलज. ओवर की समाप्ति. 7 ओवर के बाद 19 रन. अब आलम यह है कि आखिरी 6 गेंदों में 4 रन बनाने. 4 to win. It's going to be Vikas Gupta. दम नहीं तोड़ेगी टीम बाउंस. घुटने नहीं टेके टीम बाउंस ने. अभी भी कोशिश जारी है. They are still in the match. Pressure situation है, pressure cooker situation. Oh, they miss out. 2 runs taken. ऐसे स्थिति में एक एक रन बाकी बहुत ही ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है. वापसी के दरवाजे खुलते हुए टीम एडमिंटन के लिए. What a match. Well played and well bowled. That was a change in length. He was expecting a short in length delivery. Vikas Gupta dished out a full length delivery. Well played. 22. The scores are level at the moment. A 4 to go. वाइड के साथ 23 रन से बन चुके हैं. चलिए 23 रन से बन चुके हैं. टारगेट तो मुकम्मल हुआ है लेकिन विकेट भी तो नहीं देनी है. अब 4 गेंद आनी बाकी है विकास गुप्ता. It's time to think out of the box for Vikas Gupta. The only way they can stay in the match is by picking up a wicket. Can they do so? Will we have further drama in this match? Remains to be seen. He digs it out, Ritesh. (24) हुआ है लेकिन गेंद बाकी है. 2 balls to go. 2 बॉल बाकी है तो अभी भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग्स हो सकते हैं. If I was Vikas Gupta, I would not have taken that single. कितना प्रेशर है. अपनी बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के वक्त भी इतना प्रेशर नहीं था. उतना प्रेशर है बैट्समैन पर. लास्ट बॉल को he needs to hold on to dear life. Oh my word. Just look at the torture that is being subjected to. This is sheer torture on him. He holds fort. Team Edmonton win the match. Well done, Ritesh. The table is once again wide open. The table is wide open now. This was exactly what Team Edmonton required. They wanted this victory to come back. The fact that Team Selective 11 have won their last match and now Team Edmonton have won the match. The tables are starting to get even Steven now. The table is being thrown wide open. आज के मॉर्निंग सेशन का ये आखिरी मैच सुपरस्टार्स बनाम चीजी सुपर किंग्स. चीजी सुपर किंग्स नंबर 7 के पोजीशन पे और टीम सुपरस्टार्स नंबर 1 के पोजीशन पे.